Hello students, welcome to Chris Academy. Today let's solve question 2 from exercise 1.2 chapter 1 real numbers. So find the LCM and HCF of the following pairs of integers and verify that LCM and HCF is equal to product of the two numbers. So they have given a pair of integer. So we have to calculate the LCM, HCF, and then we have to verify this condition, that is LCM into HCF is equal to product of two numbers. So first let's find the HCF. So how will you find first let's express this number and this number as a product of prime numbers. So how will you express as a product of prime numbers? You have to take the LCM, right? So 26, so 2, it will be 13 and 13 ones are 13. Okay. So next let's take 91. So when you take, let's go by 7. 7 ones are 7, remaining 2, 21. So 7 threes are 21. Again you get 13 and 1. So now let's express 26 is equal to 2 into 13 and 91 is equal to 7 into 30. So what is HCF? It is nothing but the product of smallest power of each common factor. So first let's find what is the common factor here. 13 is the common factor, and what is the smallest power of 13 is 1. Okay, so HCF will be nothing but the common factor is 13 and the smallest power 13 has is 1. So it is nothing but 13. So what is LCM? It is nothing but the product of greatest power of each prime factor. So you have to write each prime factor and you have to write the greatest power of each prime factor. So what is the greatest power of 2 is 1. What is the greatest power of 7? It is 1. What is the greatest power of 13? It is 1. So it is a common factor. It's necessary. Just you can write ones. Okay. So what will be 14 into 13 will be 182. So now you have found the LCM and HCF. So first part of the question is completed. Now you have to check the condition. Okay. So LCM into HCF. So 182 into 13. So when you multiply, you will get 2366. And next part is you have to find the product of two numbers. So what is the product of 26 into 91? So 26 into 91. Again you get 2366 as your answer. So these two condition is verified. Hello students. So let's solve second question from exercise 1.2 second subdivision. For 510 and 22, you have to find the HCF, LCM, and also you have to verify the condition whether HCF into LCM is equal to product of two numbers. Okay. So let's find. So for finding the LCM, you have to take the product of primes for 510 and 92. Okay, so for 510, let's go by 5. So 1, 0, 2. You can go by 2, 51, 17, 17 threes are 51, 3 and 1. So for 92, you have to find 2s are, again you can go by 2, 23, 23 ones are. So for 510, it will be 2 into 5 into 3 into 17, and for 92 it will be 2 into 2 into 23. So what will be your HCF? So what is the common factor here? 2 is the common factor. Other than that, you don't have any common factor. So 2. And what is the smallest power of 2 is 1. So nothing but 2 power of 1 is 2. So what is your LCM? You have to write each prime number, okay? So here you have 2 common, and any other thing you have common? No. So you can write 1, 2 for this pair of numbers, okay? Then you can write into 5, into 3, into 17. Here you have to write these 2 numbers. So 2 into 23. So when you multiply, you will get 23,460. So you have found the HCF, LCM. Now you have to verify the condition. So let's find the HCF and LCM product. So 2 into 23,460. So your answer will be 46,920. So now you have to find the product of 2 numbers, that is 510 into 92. So when you multiply, you get answer to be 46,920. So from this 2 conditions, you can say that the HCF and product of HCF and LCM is equal to product of 2 numbers.